All right. Sorry. All right. Horn sound. Replace horn.
Well, I never.
Here's all the options. They're different every time. Go.
Toss a coin to your witcher.
Applause. So loud. I can make different driving sounds at low speed, like coconuts. Rainforest. What else? Rock and roll. Can you imagine me rolling up to a valet parking at a restaurant with this playing? Or a harp? Ice cream truck. Merry-go-round. Polynesian elevator. Ridiculous. Or whatever this sneaky jazz is, huh? Turn that off. Put the horn back on. Posh.
Well, I never.
I'll leave it on goat.